Yesterday, Stefan came down and started to take apart bits and pieces of the dash, etc., and undoing the roof because we were going to straighten it out. However, he really wants to save that roof, and I didn't realise that when he told me that like $15,000. Now I can understand why he wants to save it. Anyway, to cut a long story short, we're going to take it to a guy who does like straightening out bodies and stuff like this, because this is only aluminium, it should be kind of easy. But I haven't got what's called like a dozer ram that's like a proper professional hydraulic thing where you can put chains on and pull it from different angles and stuff like that. I haven't got one of them, so he's got all that gear, and he said it might take me a month to get around to doing it. Well, no problem, because if he can save that roof, it's going to be well worth it. So we're going to come down on Wednesday to tinker around with it a bit more. But this guy seems to be fairly confident he could do it. Maybe not. I mean, there's two chances, isn't there? So I'd rather somebody like that do that than me messing about, because time's money, isn't it? And if they've got all the gear, I mean, I've got hydraulic lifts and rams and kits and stuff like this, but I haven't got the dozer type arm to pull from high up. And you know, you usually, when you've had an accident going that way, you usually pull it from the same direction, and this had gone into a ditch, so it had gone downwards, so it's actually crushed down, as you can see from the front here. I always look at my camera backwards, I don't know why. So yeah, so if once it's straightened out, then you can decide what you're going to do with doors. I mean, I think I can save, well, at least this door's okay. That door's got a little bend on. I'm not sure about the other sides though. I might be able to straighten them out. This guy's just going to straighten the body out, so that's not too bad, is it? So I don't know really what's going to happen now, but it's going to take it away on Wednesday, and that's another thing, because I have really got to tidy up my yard. I'm doing quite a good job actually. I was really pleased. I've shoved the 90 round the back. And the good thing is that Stefan's in Montreal. Stefan. And we found the name of this guy who owns that 90. I've got a sneaking feeling as a doctor has moved to Montreal. He used to be in Sherbrooke. And he might not be picking up his Sherbrooke telephone number because it's an 819 area code. There's 514 in Montreal. So maybe he just leaves the phone here in an apartment or something like that, I don't know. But anyway, if Stefan can find out where he is and who he is, that's it, because we have no address, we have nothing. What a carry on. So that's at the other side of the container, and the thing is, if he doesn't come before it snows, my snowplow man piles all the snow up here, out of my yard, out the front, piles it all up there, and we can't get in. So, you know, it's there until spring. Mind you, it's out of the way, it doesn't really matter to me, but funny enough, it started up straight away, boom. Yeah, some folks out there just buy these fancy Land Rovers, bring them over and don't bother with them. It's never been licensed, that's why I can't go to the cops and find out whose it is. It's not been officially imported into Canada, it's still in France for all intents and purposes. Anyway, that's